All Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU organized Ningol Chakouba for women journalists at Manipur Press Club in Mezorkul today. Speaking in the program, President of AMJU, Asim Bhakta, expressed happiness on organizing the first ever Ningol Chakouba for women journalists, while also lauding their role as journalists and as mothers and sisters at their homes. While announcing an external tour for male journalists, Asim Bhakta is sure to organize an external tour for women journalists soon. As a part of Ningol Chakouba, traditional Saul and Phanik, sponsored by Directorate of Handloom and Jagan Rathor, were presented to women journalists who attended the grand feast. Later, a lucky draw was also held in which Impact TV's associate editor, Joyce Usham, won 2.915 grams of gold, sponsored by Ima Panthobi Jewellery in Wahengbam Laikai, while Indira Nongmaithem of Sangai Express won 1.4 gram gold ring that was sponsored by Leirin Jewellery in Sega Road, Thogda Bhabong Laikai. SKTV editor and publicity secretary of AMJU, Jaya Lakshmi Thangjam, SKTV anchor Olivia Jennifer Takilambam, and Kangla Pau journalist Shanti Salam won rice cookers that were sponsored by Mazo Hub, Keshampad, Konjen, Hazani Laikai.
I swan number quaky. No one Chako Dori, Kakino, High Nake, Yamba Tokine, Tokine, and Sonto Pirapa. A Harrow went to Pirapa, they quit Dominari Baquigi. Mayam Suez, Toxi, have a Yaine, Madudi to whom training a Madi. Ekadonga, we don't know who is hardly to assume I am the key, sponsored Tiralore. I am Torlo and Mananga sees in Germany. I am Luna, Sunabaki, Miria, Anaba, Yauba, the Gi, Cano Yaubakra, Manisitava Natana. I am a maximum day. Like any country, I am no idea. Masi Matung to Sumba is now Singova. A question family, many am Jewish family, group that I give Senisha, Adegi, Mamsi, Mamsigi, Cano City to home to Ponina, Masima, in Germany, Masimatung to sitting in Sound, Sinman Boys again.
On the occasion of Ningol Chakouba, Devi Nyasa Trading's Private Limited organized a festival for internally displaced women residing in Konthosam Khabam Bandir in Pathanga Lairanbi Community Hall yesterday. Speaking to SKTV, IDP Wangkem Nodia Chan said that internally displaced persons who fled from Churachandpur in the May 2023 conflict that are facing extreme hardship and difficulties. He added that conditions were better when relief camps received donations, but now that it has stopped, residents of relief camps continue to live in neglected and in dire conditions.
Anadi koi simbi lambiraba committee emalemi committee do hojiki leitre lili kemen sinjare anu yusi nomda mi amda lupa sama tibado tibiri sina kona basu kona de kona drasu kana wakaluni ko tumna sum gatobre leijeri jinis adu doctor di lai maramakta ko hida ko kai to ba ko sipa lok thomba ko ki Daki and people like coming by Hungary, the Kanagum do Subano Maka Kanzamana, Lana Skulitare, as a Tari, Adungam the Mina, Sada Skulsda, Tamdeli, the Sea Colombalapa, the amount of the cars, piggy, private Skuntamla Tari, piggy, Pasha, Pibangam the Tobacco, Yam Kodonkiva, Yam Langi.
On the other hand, speaking on the occasion, Devi Nyasha Trading's Private Limited CEO, Vijaya Lakshmi Sagolsim, said that the company organized Ningol Chakouba Festival to alleviate their suffering, even for a short moment, to be included in the festive season.
Ningol Chakouba is a very good the Wakalon the Gao when it is a good company decided to sponsor vendors in the Sang, the people for happening. The company Samaki Porting Itara. Laser mind painting and the young man, the Kitan from the Gifuna fees again. Is a happening.
Leishang Them Awang Leka Youth Center organized Ningol Chakouba Festival for internally displaced women currently residing in Wangjing Kodompokpi and Lamding Higher Secondary School relief camps. The festival was organized at Leishang Them Kalimakong Community Hall yesterday. Speaking to media, Leishang Them Awang Leka Youth Center President Takilambam Birain said that the festival was organized to honor and respect women who abandoned their homes and properties on account of the violence of May 3, 2023 and found shelter in relief camps. Meanwhile, an internally displaced woman named T.H. Romibala expressed gratitude to the association for the thoughtful gesture, noting that organizing such early events make them feel at home. Nearly 300 women participated in the observance, followed by Ningol Chakouba gifts from members of Leishang Them Awang Leka Youth Center.
Jadi ani macam macam yang terhadap orang lain, kau tahu tu, kau dia ada bagi pasal kau tahu nak kau dia tu tahu tiada, lagi tu tiada kau tu lagi, aduh macam mana ni sih dah lagi jadi dia halang yang nak kau tu, ni mana ada bagi lancar tu dah yang nak kau tahu nak lagi bagi kau tu dah kau tu tak kau bagi ni tahu dah kau yang nak ngai, kan lagi tu tadi ada tu ina. Koi thela mamai kadra la ka dum yang kien jaw ba mi si lai ba la kai ni nga ka de na koi du yang lu si de la kai ni.
Ningol Chakouba Festival was also celebrated in Jiribam district yesterday. Women adorned in traditional dresses visited their paternal families for a feast together. All Jiribam United Club Association Ajuka also organized Ningol Chakouba Festival at Hilgut Community Hall in Lamlane, Atingbi. Former Daksha of Jila Parishad, Kesh Janaki Devi, President of Ajuka Maipaksana Mangang, President of Amukog Ajiri Branch, Abdul Sattar, Putul Bishnupriya Community, Fundai Luangmai VP, TRC shared a meal together and gifts were also presented to women folk, marking the spirit of this traditional festival.